Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep you homes inhabited in my continue to enjoy my videos like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can very beautiful and amazing videos show to people in the if you like videos today and share it will to your friends and family members. You got many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys, so I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now how to did the work yourself, and if you guys you can take a screenshot from my videos and to someone else and you can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such videos. Amazing, every videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video my channel, I am very happy that you like my videos and good comment. Please let me know comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear, God bless you, take care.